All right, ladies and gentlemen, we at 2258 Monroe Avenue. This is $10,000 property. 2258 Monroe Avenue, $10,000. Get your D's in hand. $10,000. Get your D's in hand. Starting bid. What's up? So let's come on in here a little bit and see what we're really working with, y'all. Y'all go ahead and type in. Make sure y'all give me that like, subscribe. For those of y'all that's interested in any sort of real estate investing. All right. So let's drop down and see what we got. Not bad. Not bad. Nice little yard here. Had a little porch, but I guess the weather made it come down. Nice little crawl hole. Y'all come on and talk to me now. Come on and talk to me. Let's put these bids in. This one here might go for about 30, even though it started at 10. You know, them investors coming in town, y'all. Okay, like they got it boarded up in the inside, probably. I wanted to give y'all a walkthrough, but it's a good potential, good bones. Good structure. Real estate investing. D's in hand. D's are in hand. $10,000 property, but I know they're gonna bid a little bit on this one, y'all. Yeah, they're gonna bid a little bit. So that's what you have. Holla at your boy. Tap in for more info like this and others. We also rolling out the mentorship class, y'all. $500 mentorship class. Holla at me.